Hey, it's Ryan Hall, West River Realty. There I am. Wanted to do a quick local guide for you, a little bit of a Rapid City flair, a place I really enjoy more than I should. And this is an odd one. Normally I'm at restaurants or, coffee shops, cool shops, etc. This is not that. Check it out. I am here at SoDak AutoHaus. Like I said, not the usual thing, not the normal, but this place is rad. I'm gonna take you inside, show you around, talk to the owner for a minute. Check it out. What's it been like being in Rapid City here for you?
So far it's been, I visited Rapid City one time before we actually moved here, and I fell in love with it. I love mountain biking, I love skiing, so it was definitely in my pocket there, and I love the people. We've been received really well since we moved here. People are excited with what we do, and we provide an extra service that might have been missing in this area. Because people are taking their cars 6 hours away to get them repaired or just get an oil change. So hopefully we can fit into that niche and help out people as much as they're helping us.
So that is SoDak AutoHaus. This place is like a wonderland for anybody who likes old German cars, like myself. I love VWs, I love Mercedes. They've always got vans and vanagons. I know the owner has his own cool Vanagon with a really neat engine swap. So if you're into that sort of thing, these people are the ones who handle it all. If you don't want to do all the work yourself, or if you have to, as he said, drive 6 hours to get an oil change, that's not the case anymore. They do custom work. They do all kinds of things here. This is the place to go. Definitely check it out. If you've got a German car, bring it here. They're obsessively detailed and do an amazing job. Check it out, SoDak AutoHaus. Info on the screen.